What's the meaning of body piercing? Body piercing. Body piercing.
Body piercing. Body piercing. Body piercing refers to the practice of creating a hole or opening in the body for the purpose of inserting jewelry or other decorative objects. This can be done in various parts of the body, including the ears, nose, tongue, eyebrows, belly button, and even the genitals. The result is typically a visible, permanent modification to one's appearance that can be used for self-expression or cultural significance. The process of body piercing carries certain risks such as infection, allergic reactions, and bleeding, making it important to choose a reputable piercer and follow proper aftercare instructions.